Can you draw your measuring from there? Okay, lean back. Put your hands on the table. Measure! Oh! Take two!
I lost. Okay.
Hands on the table.
Okay.
Larry, Egan, measure! You cheated. You had that up front. Yeah. One more time. Put it in the holster. This will be it.
Only way I can win.
It's a little tougher when you're sitting down.
That's why they call me the cheater.
Yeah. Larry, Egan.
Ready.
Measure! Good.
Huh.
You still got it.
It's wearing me out. Yeah, no. I'm losing it though. I'm losing it fast. Losing it fast.
I've already lost it.
Did you? Yeah.
So much fun we have here. And now we have a new member of our troop, Clive.
Clive, yeah. I carry this measuring tape. Being a carpenter for probably 45 years, you have a habit of it. So I have a light measuring tape now. It's a little 12-footer where we used to carry the, 16, 20, 30 feet.
Oh, okay.
But because I'm always using this.
You're always needing to measure stuff.
Yeah, all the time. So
Yeah.
always, just part of my life, I guess.
Yep. I'm going to go try to find a little measuring tape for Clive.
Yeah, that would be kind of neat. Maybe put a little belt or something like that.
Let's get Clive a tool belt.
Yeah, little belt, little hard hat.
Yeah. How about a cowboy hat? We can make American out of them yet. Cowboy hat for Clive.
Have you? Yeah, I don't know. They have cowboys in England? I don't know. I have no idea about that.
They have cowboys in South America.
Yeah, well, yeah. That's probably where a lot of this started.
Mm-hmm. I have cowboys in Mongolia.
Uh-huh.
They have cowboys in Central Asia.
Really?
They have cowboys in eastern Colorado.
Well, I heard, keep this under your hat.
Okay.
I heard they had cowboys in western Colorado, too.
Oh. Maybe that's what the stock show is all about.
I would think so.
Yeah. Does Clive like Edgewater coffee?
Oh, he loves it. I just gave him some.
Yeah.
Well, gotta get going.
Okay, let's get going.
Okay, here I go.
Larry's leaving the building.